This is Daryl, and welcome back to the Falcon 64 project. Please like and subscribe. Today I have for you some pre-work I've done for the custom coating inner floor liners that I'm going to spray into my Falcon 64. First I wanted to start with an unboxing of what came in my box. I picked this up off of Amazon and it was right at about $209. I got the 6 24-ounce containers along with the hardener and the gun. So let's start off here with the unboxing. So I wanted to start off with the gun. It came in this nice little box. I got everything you see here except for the little dryer that I got here. I picked this up at Harbor Freight and it wasn't too bad. I want to say less than $10 along with the little nipple, and it's a pretty nice little gun. I used one like this to spray my 79 Jeep. I did it in the Raptor liner and it turned out really nice, but since I got the new gun with this one, I just figured I'd go ahead and just use it. So that's the gun, and it came in this box. Also, what came in the box was 6 of these. They're 1.5 pints. This is the black, and this is the bed liner in it. What also came with it is the hardener that came with it. So there's 6 individual hardeners. So one of these goes in here. You shake it for 2 to 3 minutes, put it on your gun, and rock on. So really, it all came packaged nicely. Like I said, I got the 6-pack, the 6 1.5 pint containers along with the hardeners and the gun for right at $209. And I want to say I got that, you know, within a day or two, you know, being a Prime member. For this project also, I bought this back in the day when I sprayed the Jeep. This is Custom Coatings Adhesion Promoter. And this is actually for spots that you have a hard time getting into to sand. They recommend, you know, like a 80 to 120 grit sanding it, which I've sanded everything. And I got this out because I'm gonna hit some spots that were, like I said, a little harder to get to. And since I had the spare cans of it, I might just hit it all. For the masking, I also picked this up on Amazon. This stuff is really nice. It is 3M. It has the tape and the plastic. It's 17 inches. So you just tape it up and then spread it out, and it, you know, keeps everything off. It kind of uses static electricity to suck it to windows and metal and your paintwork. So kind of holds it there. It makes it easier to sit there and tape it in to do that. So let's just go over the car and I'll show you what I got going on here. So again, since I'm going to be spraying the inside, I'm going to be spraying it with both doors open. If you notice, I got all the windshield, all my windows covered up. I got thresholds here at the door. I got my pedals. I still have to work on the high beam switch over there and that extra horn switch. I need to get those up and then mask up where the holes are. And then I still got to do a lot of cleaning. I'm gonna hit it with acetone right before I do it. I'm gonna vacuum it out, wipe it all down really nice, and then I'm gonna hit it with acetone, and that way I get all the waxes and oils off of it. That way it adheres good to it. So on this back here, I am planning on only going up to about here. It doesn't bother me if I get it up on the top there, but I'm just gonna try to keep it down low. And actually I might cover that up with some plastic just to be sure of that. Moving on, I'm going to go to the fender wells. I got them all masked off. I do need to clean them all. Probably should have cleaned them before I sat there and put the plastic up. But anyways, again, I'm gonna do this trunk. It needs to be wiped down and cleaned up, but I got it all masked off, ready to go. Along with my wiring. I either got it up out of the way or I got it taped off. Again, over here, same thing. So as you can see, the pre-work, like everything in paint work, is everything for your final fit and finish. Alrighty, moving over to the compressor. What I noticed from when I sprayed the Jeep is the higher the pressure, the finer the finish. So I sprayed the Jeep at 55, and I believe I'm gonna do the same on the floors on this. I might go a little lower, that way I get a little bit more on there for the insulation factor and the sound deadening. That's what I'm hoping to do with this. And then of course I'm gonna cover it up with the sound deadening, and then carpet after that. All right guys, the next time you see me, we will be spraying.